A former Portage police officer charged with child abuse will stand trial after a preliminary hearing today in Sauk County Court. 32-year-old Cameron Coronado is accused of abusing his 6-month-old son this past August. The criminal complaint states a woman reported finding a cut on the back of the 6-month-old boy's throat. Portage Police confirmed August 22nd that Coronado is no longer employed with the department. His arraignment has not yet been set.